What's up guys, back with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing and review of Apple's Powerbeats Pro, and I will see if they are truly the best wireless earbuds on the market, meaning they're better than the Apple Airpods. Alright, so I actually ordered these about 17 days ago, and they finally came today in my mailbox, so I am pretty hype about that. So let's get to opening these here. See what we got. Nice protective packaging in there, that's good to see. Love when that happens. You got the box here, wrapped up very nicely. Oh, that just looks sweet. Look at that. Nice. It's a decently heavy box, but you know, that's what I would expect. And it's overall sleek design from the outside so far, I would say. Looks pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm going to get into opening the box that actually contains these earbuds. So, lift it up here. Alright. And then I can just shake this off. Oh, like this. There we go. Wow. Alright. Empty shell here. Here they are. Look at that. Nice. So, first thing I noticed is a lot of reviews before I bought these were saying the case was going to be extremely large. They said it was too big, wouldn't even fit in your pocket. And first thing I've noticed here is this does not look like that big of a case. It's, at least so what I imagined. I can definitely fit it in my pocket. Yep, that definitely fits in my pocket if needed. And I can hold it in my hand. It's not super big, not as big as I thought it would be. So that's nice, because that was the only concern I honestly had about them prior to purchasing. So we open this here. We've got the instruction manual, charger. Let's see what we got here. Charging cord is a black Apple charging cord, so that's pretty cool. And then different ear tips here, it looks like. Yeah, so there's so there is tips on the earbuds that come with it, and then there are 3 other size options here. Yeah, small, medium, large. So that is nice. So it says fast fuel, 5-minute charge, 1.5 hours of play. So that's something I look forward to using. That is definitely an awesome feature of these earbuds. Alright, so first look, haven't even put them on or used them or anything, but I can definitely say my one concern, which was the case was going to be too large, is not something I have to worry about. I can fit it in my pocket, I can hold it comfortably in my hand. It's not too heavy or anything like that. That's nice. I got the nice tips, the fast charging, the cool looking cord here. And so next I'm going to get into actually using these earbuds. So, when compared to the AirPods, I think Powerbeats Pro are obviously superior. They have 9 hours of wireless play and 24 with the charging case. They're sweat and water resistant. They have the hooks which are adjustable. Also, you can operate each earbud individually using buttons, which in my opinion is a very key feature. They fit better in and around your ears, the sound quality is better, and with that comes great bass, an important quality of Beats earbuds in my opinion. After using the earbuds for about 3 hours, I came up with some pros and cons. To start with the cons, because there aren't that many. Yes, the case is on the larger size, but it's also manageable. It fit in my pocket without being too bulky, and it wasn't too large in my hand. Also, the price point is on the high side, but that is a result of the AirPods being expensive and Beats being a name brand. I think the price really matches the quality of these earbuds. Finally, for something I didn't realize until using these for a while, when you take them out of your ears, they will automatically pause the music. Now, if you go into your phone and press play, the music will start coming out of your phone until you press the output icon and select the Beats. This is something to be aware of, because if you're at the gym blasting some Beethoven or something weird that's not really workout music, you take them out and accidentally press play, people are going to start looking at you and it might be embarrassing. So, to conclude this video, I have to say that these earbuds are, in my opinion, the best wireless earbuds on the market right now. I think they will hold this position for a while, and a lot of people will buy and come to love these earbuds. In the categories where I compared the AirPods and Powerbeats Pro, the Beats prevail. So, if you're an athlete, like a lot of bass, or are looking for some wireless earbuds and have $250 to spend, these are for you. I think Beats and Apple did a great job with these, and I'm going to have to give them 5 stars. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and feel free to drop a like if you enjoyed this vid.